Hi guys, and welcome back to Black Stag Styling. Hopefully it's not the first video you've checked out, but if it is, do get on the channel. Check out some of our other videos. We've got hydro dipping, styling, you name it, lots of things on there for you to have a look at. Lots of cool videos. But the reason you joined us this time is for the work we're going to be doing on this Mercedes Actros. We don't get many lorries in, so it's a pleasure to have this in for Maze Logistics. A good customer of ours. We do love Steve. He loves to challenge us, which he has done on this occasion, because we've got to strip the lorry and paint it all in their particular colour they want it painted in. So big job. So yeah, we're going to get this into the workshop. Tommy's going to start stripping it, and then we can crack on with the work.
Come on, mate, I need to get this in. Stop messing about, look. I've got to get started.
Sorry, pal. Right.
You wouldn't believe this thing fits in the workshop.
Go for it, Tommy. Tommy's going to get it into the workshop, start stripping all the bits. So roll the intros. Here we go. Woohoo! Right, we're now going to go over and see Tommy, who is, I think, got pretty much everything stripped for the lorry. So we're going to go and see how he's getting on.
Good morning.
Hello, Mr. Tommy.
Right.
All good, mate. All good. How you getting on?
Just, yeah, just about to start keying up this massive truck.
Look at that. I'm impressed you got everything to fit on your bench, mate.
Yeah, yeah. Well, there's a benchmark there, isn't there?
Oh, dun dun dun. Very good, mate, very good. So we're going to start doing a little bit of prepping, are we?
Yeah, yeah. It was surprisingly easy to take apart.
Yeah, not too bad.
Once you sort of, there's a process, you know, the way it goes, but yeah.
Got into it all right. What are we going to prep it with, pal?
I've got some grey Scots. I've even cut it down to a really small size because obviously
Dun, dun, dun.
small bits.
You know it.
Then as I go, I'm going to mask out all these black bits. This satin or matte. They're matte black, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, to protect them as I key it up, and then yeah.
Away we go.
Ready for paint.
Crack on, pal. Let's do it.
No worries.
Right, this is what these idiots get up to when we're not watching.
No. I was already going. Ah! Right, come on. We haven't drawn yet. So three steps, yes?
Yeah. Then you shake draw.
1, 2, 3, draw. No, you don't have to back away. That's why I said to fill it up, Alan. Sorry.
And the wind was blowing mine back into me in face.
Yeah. I'm not even at you.
Just down at the workshop, no wind.
Already told you, Alan, not full. Laughing at? Hey, what are you laughing at?
Right, so as you know, we are now part of the way through stripping the little truck. And I just thought I'd show you some of the pictures of what the truck needs to look like at the end, because the colour has got to match the images we've been sent. We already know the colour code for the colour, so it's not just going off the pictures. So we've got the paint, that's all here ready to paint all the bits. As you know, Tommy's prepping it all and getting everything ready for paint, but I'm just going to put on the screen now some of the images of what we've got to achieve. So as you can see from the pictures, that's the colour it's got to go in. It's to match their full-size truck, and the decals have got to be done as well. The decals are not being done by us, they're going to be done by a separate company who we're not 100% sure who yet. We've got two companies that may well be doing the work, so we'll let them get that all sorted. Once it's all painted and all back together, they'll have it to put all the decals on, so it should look really cool. Right, here we are now into the spray booth where Fraser will be through in a moment to paint all of these parts off the lorry. So he's had a little bit of a fiddly job, as it is rather a small lorry. So we've got the cab section, we've got all the other little bits. He's put them all on a piece of wire, haven't you, Fraser? Here is that. Here's all the other bits. Here is the young strapping Fraser. There we go, there's all the bits. All ready and raring to get painted in the grey. Here we go.
Let's go!
Right, so now all the parts have been lacquered, so they've got their lovely little gloss coat on, give them a nice little shine to that metallic and the grey. Just thought I'd give you a little view, just so you can see the bits. Now they're all painted and lacquered. Looking rather smart on the grey. It's quite funny seeing such a miniature little door. Look. And we've got the front end of the lorry, the front bumper. Looking rather cool, the grille. There's another door. And we've got the roof section. There we go, and come over to here. We got the full cab part as well. We've got a couple of bits we'll just have to repaint in the like matte black, the little washer bottle, a couple of other bits like that. And then running across here, we have a couple of other bits. The other section for the front, a couple of other little panels. I think they're the side sections for the main part of the lorry. So there we go. So they are now all gloss lacquered. It's going to be time to, look to get everything put back together. So going to be interesting. All wheels are done in gloss black as well. So they're all finished. And time to get everything back together. Hello there, Tommy.
Hello.
How are we getting on with the lorry?
Very well, sir.
Superb. So you've got your cab over here.
It's quite a drawn out process, to be honest, but...
It does take a little while, doesn't it? Fiddly. Drawn out. Oh, right.
Anyway.
Yeah, you draw, yeah. So what have we done on here, mate?
So I have, yesterday I painted the black bits, as you can see. Still got to tidy it up a little bit. I've got to put some little silver detail I've got to put in. I'm going to brush them in by hand.
Got the bits around the side of the A pillars?
Yep, got the bits around the side of the A pillars, around there.
Look at this though.
Got the dash in. What have you.
And then now about to move on to what we're doing, tyres, you saying?
I'll do the tyres in a bit. I was going to get the rest of the cab finished up, so that slots in there, and then there's a
seats.
Base panel here, which is still on its painting wire, as you can see, and then I'll have to link up the electronics to the battery, which is in there.
Cool.
And then the lights will work on the inside, and then once I've got that all boxed up and finished, then yeah, I'll start on the base.
There we go, look, there's the base section. Wheels were done in black, in gloss black, which is what the customer wanted. So we've we're doing alright with them, we really?
Yeah.
We're getting there.
It's fiddly, but interesting.
First time we've ever painted a lorry.
Yeah.
Right, I'll leave you to crack on.
Thank you very much.
Hi guys, and thank you for checking out another one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling. Been something rather different on this occasion, and this is doing the lorry, the model lorry for Maze Logistics, and this is to match the anniversary, I think it was 100-year anniversary of the Mercedes Actros lorry, which they've got in the grey. So as you've seen, we've crikey stripped everything off this, being a real fiddly job to do, and then painted everything coming in the correct colour to go with the full-size lorry, which we'll put some pictures up of. And yeah, it's pretty much an exact replica, including doing all the inside of the cab and everything as well. And it's now all done. So it's now ready for Steve from Maze Logistics to get back here and collect. Hopefully he'll be happy with it all. Does look rather smart. It has got to be all stickered up in there. Maze Logistics decals as well, but another company are doing that. So it'll be going off to them very shortly to have that done as well. And we'd just like to say thank you to Steve, sorry, for having us do the work. It's been interesting. Don't forget, do like and subscribe to the old channel. Turn on the old notifications. Stay fully up to date with everything we've been doing. Last look round the lorry. We'll catch you again soon. Take care. Right then, Tommy, how are you getting on with that lorry?
Yeah, done, mate. All finished.
Oh, superb. Let's bring her on out.
Will do.
Ha 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 ha.